Want to start scripting in Roblox but don't know where to begin? Here's a simple 2025 guide to help you get started with coding your own games. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tutorials. First, download and open Roblox Studio. This is where all your scripting and game design take place. Create a new base plate to start from scratch. Next, locate the Explorer and Properties panels. If they aren't visible, you can enable them from the View tab. To begin scripting, right-click on any part or object. Select Insert Object and choose Script. This will add a Lua script, the programming language used in Roblox. Try typing this simple code to test your first script. Then hit play or run. Check the output panel. To see your message appear, that means your script is working. Want to try a simple in-game action? Here's an example that makes a brick disappear when touched. Place this script inside a brick, and when a player touches it, the brick will vanish. Keep learning by following tutorials, testing small projects, and analyzing other scripts. Focus on the basics, variables, functions, and events to strengthen your scripting skills. Ready to start creating your own Roblox games? Like this video and subscribe for more Roblox scripting lessons every week. Thanks for watching.